Brand new from our friends at Stamperia. This is the Cosmos collection of papers. Now, this they are 12 by 12. They are padded over on the side, which is typical of Stamperia. And the words that are in here are both in English and in, I believe, Spanish. So just want you to know that, and look at the artwork on the front. And we'll get in a little bit right now. Houston's going to be going back and forth. Trust the magic of new beginnings, and that's really a nice statement for this. Stars can't shine without darkness, and never stop looking up. Those are just good things that are going on. So now we're going to go back and look what's going on. So there are 10 sheets. As I said, they are 12 by 12. Isn't that beautiful? They are a cardstock, a lightweight cardstock. So that's one, and there is another. Now, you certainly can cut these out and make cards out of them. They're just stunning for scrapbook pages. Very, very fun. They are all double-sided. Look at that. This is a collage. There's some trees. Well, in fact, I think it's a collage of lots of trees. Some bark going on there. Really pretty. And I bet you've taken a peek over on this page. Now, again, they're 12 by 12, so these are about 4 inches square, a little bit smaller. And you can see the artwork as we scroll down here. Just, oh, so beautiful. Now, on the back side, they're going to be plainer, which is very typical of Stamperia. Aren't they gorgeous? So if you want to use them for journaling or writing, or if you want to use the more elaborate side. Speaking of elaborate, isn't that gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. Houston thinks so too, because he's getting in close. Look at that. This is one. This is one sheet. Now, you do only get one sheet of each design, so just bear that in mind. If you want double pages, you'll need to get 2 of the packs. Now, here are the words, the tags. As I said, many, they're in both languages. They're in English or they're in Spanish. And as you can see, nature does things uselessly. Nature does nothing uselessly. Chase the moon, ride the stars. I love that the phrases are fresh. They're brand new. At least they're brand new to me. Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. Trust the magic of new beginnings. There's a believe. The beauty of nature is everywhere. So just really dear. Now on the back side, there's an all-over pattern, again, keeping the wood look, but in such an artistic way. This is stunning. And this artwork you're going to see in a minute is also smaller in this paper collection. Beautiful. And the background is the rings of a tree as it grows, but add some different colors to it. Just quite gorgeous. And here we have the moon with the craters, as well as overlays of lots of different things. Can't even label all of them for you. Here is the background or the back of that page. Just absolutely gorgeous. I think Cosmos is a wonderful name for this collection. And you can see now these are taller. And again, it's on the 12 by 12. You can see like kind of the coffee rings, and that's a reoccurring theme through this paper collection. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, they would make wonderful masculine cards as well. And you can see that they're plainer on the back. And then we have another collage sheet, would make great cards, as you can imagine. Absolutely gorgeous. That's what I meant about the rings. They repeat. And there's the back of that page. Yeah, I know. I want every single one of them too. And then here's some tags. So you know that this side is more elaborate. Beautiful. The back side, this is an all-over pattern. And then we have a very wise owl in the Cosmos. And on the back side, another border print. So just beautiful. Be gorgeous to make cards. And then we have another vision with the moon, and that's all of them. Now we do have some flowers that I think will go very nicely with this, and I want to give you the item number of these flowers. I hope you can see those. They're a teal color, but they're really quite elegant. They have different textures, and I thought it went beautifully with these papers that are so unique. So the flowers, if you like them, they are item number 4015359. And, oh, that's not true. Sorry. Cross that off. It's 4015398, okay? 5398. And Cosmos, it's just a stunning collection. We do have limited quantities of each of these, so just so you know.